Hi, I am Yogesh Gute. Today's non-technical point is dogs as a man's best friend. Now, dogs are a man's best friend because of the deep bond and companionship they provide a human. Companionship they can provide a human. Now, first of all, loyalty. The loyalty is dog are incredibly loyal animal. They from strong attachment to their owner and are know their unwavering devotion to the adapt to the dog. This loyalty is obtained demonstrated through their and raised to please their protective instinction and their concert companionship. Now, companionship dogs are social creatures that thrive on companionship. They enjoy being around humans and are often eager to participate in various activities with their owners, whether the going for a walk, playing fetch, or simply lounging on the couch. Now, emotional support also in dog and humans. Mm, The dogs have a remarkable ability to sense and respond to human emotions. They can provide comfort and emotional support during difficult times, and many people find souls in their dog's presence. Now, healthy benefits also in dogs and humans. Numerous studies have shown that owning a dog can have a positive impact on a person's health. Dogs can help reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and increase physical activities levels throughout regular walk and playtime. With enjoying the dog in uh, long walking, so unconditional love, the most significant reason why dogs are considered man's best friend in their capacity for unconditional love. Dogs don't judge or hold grudge. They simply love their owners unconditional, providing a source of comfort and joy that is unmatched. The bond between dogs and humans is a special one, build a trust, companionship, and love. The some dogs are known to provide emotional support to the uh, his owner, and companionship with can be especially beneficial for individual dealing with mental health issues such as anxiety, depression, and uh, blood pressure. Survey now. Dogs are trained to assist individuals with disability such as guide dogs for visual impaired, hearing dogs for the deaf, and mobility assist dog for those with physical limitations. Now, uh, dogs are often used in search and rescue operation due to their keep sense and smell and ability to navigate difficult terrain, helping to locate mission person with various environment. Now, some army forces, the use in dog is a very quite uh, detection works. The dogs are trained with detect various substances such as drugs, explosives, and even certain medical conditions like cancer, showcasing their remarkable olfactory abilities. The sensation is the very most powerful in a dog also. Companionship and socialization in dogs. Dogs can help reduce feeling of loneliness and isolation, providing companionship and encouraging social interaction, which can be particularly beneficial for older adult or those living alone. In dogs, uh, some physical health benefits also in dogs adaptation. Owning a dog can lead to increased physical activity throughout regular walking and playtime, which help to improve cardiovascular health and overall fitness level in humans. Now, daily routine dogs in evening session to the walk in long duration. Dogs can have a profoundly positive impact on human well-being, providing not just practical assistance but also emotional support and a companionship. Building a strong bond with a dog to become a best friend involving understanding their needs, building trust and creating positive experience together. Now, uh, some point of the uh, to respect the dogs. uh, Allow the dog to approach you first, especially if they seem share questions. Respect their boundaries and give the space when needed. Now, reward good behavior with treats, praise and affection. They help create a positive association with you and encourage bonding in uh, dogs and owners of dogs. They can be unbreakable bond with dogs and owners of dogs. Establish a routine. Dogs thrive on routine, so establish a consistent schedule for feeding, walk, and playtime. This helps build trust and creates a sense of security. The dogs is adapt. The security is most security in the owner. Communicate clearly. Use a calm and reassuring tone of voice when interacting with the dog. Pay attention to their body language to understand how they are feeling. The feeling of dog in the its owner is a very good and to loyalty. Engage in play. Play time in a great way to bond with dog. Use toy to engage them in interactive play, which can be both fun and mentally stimulating. Dogs can have provide exercise and mental stimulation. Regular exercise, mental stimulation are important for a dog's well-being. Take them for a walk, play games, and provide toys that challenge their needs. Now, the some patience and consistent building a strong bond take time to be patient and consistent in your interaction. Show them love, respect, and care consistently. The dog cannot be harmful in humans. The dog is a very loyalty animal in the all the animals. They interact with humans. This is the very beneficial for humans. Understand that dogs have their own personalities and performance. Respect their needs and preference to build a strong and trusting relationship. The uh, strong bond with a dog and develop a lifelong friendship based on trust, love, and companionship. The dog is a very trust animal. Now, dog is not harmful to the humans. The care of dogs and the all animals to care and Thank you.